So we need to prove the following. So let us begin from the left hand side. Now on the left hand side we have cosine of angle A added to cosine of angle B whole squared, and this is added to the square of sine A plus sine B. Now what we'll do, we're going to expand each of the two terms. So expanding cosine A plus cosine B whole squared gives us cosine squared A plus cosine squared B plus 2 times cosine of angle A multiplied to cosine of angle B. Then we are going to expand the second term sine A plus sine B whole squared to get sine squared A plus sine squared B plus 2 times sine of angle A times sine of angle B. Now we're going to rewrite, combine some of the terms. We're going to combine cosine squared A with sine squared A. So we have cosine squared A added to sine squared A. This is going to be one single term. Then we will take cosine squared B and add it with sine squared B. So this is going to be another term. Now we're left with the third and the sixth term. So if we take 2 as the common factor, so 2 gets multiplied to cosine of the angle A times cosine of the angle B added to sine of the angle A times sine of the angle B. Fine. Now cosine squared A plus sine squared A, this is a standard identity with a value equals to 1 for all values of the angle A. Similarly, cosine squared B plus sine squared B is going to be 1 for all values of B. And coming to the third term, 2 times cosine of A cosine of B. Now this is also a standard identity. So this is the expansion of cosine of A minus B. Fine. Now that means we now have 2 added to 2 times cosine of angle A minus B. So what we'll do, we'll take 2 as the common factor. So 2 will be multiplied to 1 plus cosine of angle A minus B. Now we will simplify 1 plus cosine of A minus B. So we are going to take the help of an identity here. We know that if we have cosine of the angle 2x, so this can be expressed as 2 times cosine squared x minus 1, which means that if we rewrite the terms, then 2 times cosine squared x will become equals to 1 plus cosine of the angle 2x. And we're going to make a substitution here. So let us suppose that the value 2x equals to A minus B, or simply put, x will be equals to A minus B over 2. Then this expression will now becomes 2 times cosine squared x. So in place of x, we replace it with A minus B over 2, and on the right hand side we have 1 plus cosine of 2x, so 2x will be A minus B. This means that we can replace 1 plus cosine of A minus B with 2 times cosine squared A minus B over 2. So let's do that. So our expression is going to become 2 multiplied to 2 times cosine squared A minus B divided by 2, which is nothing but 4 times cosine squared A minus B over 2, and this is the expression on the right hand side. Thus we have successfully showed that the left hand side of the given expression is equals to the right hand side. So let's quickly verify. We have 4 times cosine squared A minus B over 2, hence proved.